sweater, size medium. Looks pretty good. Hopefully no holes. I'll have to check it better, but it's super soft. Sorry, I'm going fast, but I'm trying to get it all in. Theory, like pull-up pants, size small, super soft and cozy. Next item is this super pink color, size small Windbreaker jacket. It has little vents and pocket in the back, so really good for outdoor working out or biking. This next item is, I think, torrid little what is this called? Eyelet Jacket with pockets. Is their size 0, so it's, I think, extra large or so. Ooh, what is this? Oh, soft. Wow, this is nice. I don't really know this brand. Joe, whatever. Size small. Very soft. Open front jacket. It is gray. It has super cool fringe. Southwestern Western tag. Keyword front, and it has pockets. So that's, a lot of people love the pockets, so I always look for that. Willa, 100% silk, navy, like a shirt. Very pretty, classic. Nice, I like this, very nice. Next item, it is this, looks like chambray jack. Little jacket, open front with zip pockets, and it is size medium. We have next, super cute, distressed, extremely high-waisted jeans, and I looked up this brand, I think, before, and it was pretty good. Oliver Logan, so just keep that in mind. This has a little bit stretch and distressing, and it is a little bit bigger size, I think. The Crosby Boyfriend, size 31 jeans, so that's pretty good size. That size usually sells quickly for me. Don't buy jeans that are like 24, 26, because those sit forever. Next, those Arizona jeans, size 11. So it's like a junior sizing. Very cool, distressing, very nice acid wash. And this cool hem. Very nice. And they have some stretch. So that's pretty good. Holes on the knees. Those should sell. This is the popular style right now. Next, we have this tiny tank that has like a faux leather navy color. Pretty nice. Derek Hart, size large. I think it's faux leather. Maybe it's real. The backing looks like real. No, it's faux. But looks like it. Very soft. Next is this Kiltech, which is also a pretty good brand to pick up for outdoor, especially if you get men's or bigger sizes. And this is like magenta color jacket for outdoor fun, size 10 US. And next item is Ralph Lauren Golf. This little what is it, check 3/4 sleeve shirt. I think it's silk. It feels like silk. Okay, that's it for this box. Let me put it back in. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of stuff. Gotta tell you. I'm gonna put it up. Okay, this is the last ginormous box coming up for you guys. Let me open it. going right under that top. Sky, are you trying to get in trouble? Get stuck under something? Or get hurt? What's the idea here? Alright, so first item is this pretty skirt from Love Fire, size large. It has like a skin tone, midi length with this lace overlay. Has some stretch to it, back zipper. So that is very cute. Next item is J. Jill, which a lot of people love selling. I kind of not loving it, but it's okay. This should sell, especially right now. Like a little plaid shirt. Feels really, really soft. Next item, I have this Sam Edelman, which I didn't really know that they make clothes. I always saw shoes. But this is a little pretty rose, like a ink art print top with keyhole back and 3/4 sleeve. I think it might be silk too. Oh, wait, what size was this? Size small. Next item, Woolrich again. This is a little outdoor vest, like a windbreaker with pockets. Size medium in purple. Next item is this Z by Zella hooded quarter zip jacket with a little thumb hole. Very cute. That's like the dry fit fabric. Next item, and this sweater I already sold 3 of, so I knew it's gonna be probably pretty quick sale. So I was pretty sure to just get it. This one is size small, but those come super duper oversized slouchy. Like it can fit size large. Like this is the oatmeal color. And it's like a wool cashmere acrylic blend. Next one, White and Warren 100% cashmere. This is definitely a brand to pick up, especially when you get like a cashmere sweater. And there we go, black cashmere sweater. Very pretty. I have to make sure it has no holes. Because like every cashmere I got from them, from thredup, always had a hole. Rachel Roy bomber jacket with this, I think it's leather, has pockets in front. It is fully lined. Check. No, I think it's faux leather. Oh my gosh, I just noticed it's super damaged. So yeah, thredup, not cool. You're gonna have to give me money back or something. So that's definitely a damage. That's a bummer. Anyway, another of those sweaters from Victoria's Secret, and I think this one is a little different shade, so kind of lilac-y. Gray, also size small, but I'm telling you they can fit size large easily. And next item, this is my return. What do we have here? Newit tag, Ellen Tracy, oversized knit pink sweater. It says size extra small, but looks like at least medium. So that's nice, Newit tag. And I think it's a wool blend too. Next item, I have this. What is this little tank? I don't remember buying it. Okay, Lush. That looks not like me, but okay. Little tank top with polka dots. A brain freeze or something. This brand sells pretty good. WAYF. I think it's sold at Nordstrom. I'm not sure right now. It's very cute top, like lace up front and bell sleeve, size small. Next we have silk. I can tell it's 100% silk top from Gemma or Gemma. If you know this brand, let me know. Really cute shark bite hem brown printed top. Next one, we're almost done. If you're staying with me till now, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Size small, midi skirt, gray, very soft rayon probably. Next item is this waffle knit Bethany Mota, size small, super oversized slouchy maroon sweater, open front. So that is cool, definitely on trend. This one, TB New York, which is good brand to pick up. This is older tag, silk top. Next item, wow, this is something pretty. H&M, I'm telling you, H&M makes some really pretty things. Very beautiful lace, like a thicker lace, embroidery style skirt with back zipper and elastic, size medium. Geez, this thing has no bottom, I'm telling you. Just keeps going. Next thing looks very fun. You new or something. I don't know this brand. Have to look it up, but it has super fun fringe in front, like a black top. Feels like maybe rayon silk blend. Very cute. Size medium, or it's model. This is Harper Jeans, again super high-waisted with raw distressed hem, size 29. And I'm almost done. Okay. This is a silk top with animal print, Brown and Spencer. And the last item is this Colette pretty t-shirt top, gray and size medium. Very cute. So this is it for today. I had a few more items, but I'm gonna have to finish because this is giant and never ending. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some brands you didn't know. And thank you so much for watching.